So guys, there is another concept, the basic concept. For example, how to take input from the user. For example, I create a gender variable. Inside the gender, I want to take an input from the user. Like, for example, you can say like enter your gender. Okay, but now there is also a good concept of escape character. What does this mean? For example, I want to use like backward/n means it will create a new line. There are other escape characters. Okay, you can search on internet. You will find plenty of resources. Like now type gender and compile it. Enter your gender, male. Okay, it printed out the male. So this is how you can take input from the user perspective. What if I don't use the escape character? Let's remove it. Compile. Now enter your gender. Look, it. I have to write it in this line. Okay, so this is how, like for more beauty, you can use the escape character. There are other escape characters. For example, let me show you one more because this is widely used as well, but it's a bit you have to memorize sometimes how things work. Hi. Did you see how we can print hi? Or you can say exotic red. Stop and run. Because I've tried something here. Okay, stop this code. Enter exotic tag your gender. So this is how you can write some comment within the comment. Okay, this is another step sequence. Okay, so what? Okay, so I hope you understand the idea how these you can take the input from the user perspective. You can also implement some logic within this category or something. You can do many things. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for your time. If there's some topic from your perspective for me to cover up, I will definitely cover it up. Just paste something in the comment section. I will review it and will update you accordingly. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.